Okay, this is Mr. Cox, Mr. Cox Science video. I'm always kind of disturbed with, as good as my cell phone is, it's hard to get enough good video to see this well. Because looking at the video on my cell phone, at least on the part I can see on the screen, you can hardly see the eclipse. But we're having a solar eclipse. These are always interesting. I'm sorry, we're having a lunar eclipse, not a solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is different. Lunar eclipse you can stare at. Doesn't hurt you. Solar eclipse occur in the daytime and it starts getting darker and you do not want to look at it because the ultraviolet light from the sun can damage your eyes or even blind you if you get enough of it. But lunar eclipse, it's just enough reflected sunlight off the moon to light up the moon. Now, right now, this is the time, 10:45. This is Jay County, Indiana. So I'm not sure if it's Eastern Standard Time right now or what it is, but it's just starting to take a notch out of the lower left-hand side of the moon. Now, for all of you people who want to say the Earth isn't round and stuff like that, you could look at that and see that the moon and all the other planets are round, and you can see what you're actually seeing. And again, I'm sorry about the video, you have to go out and look at it if you want to see it very good. You can see the Earth's shadow going across the moon, and it is definitely round. And it's not only round, but it's spherical because the way it's crossing the moon's surface. So that's always kind of interesting. But yeah, somewhere around 12, 15, something like that, it's supposed to be at its peak. This is not a total lunar eclipse, and but is a partial lunar eclipse. But it's still very interesting to see. Now, what gets me is when I was a kid, we first saw our first solar eclipse. Now we first saw our lunar eclipse. They told you this is a once in a lifetime thing. No, it's not really. I've had quite a few of them in my life, but it is something that only occurs every so often, and you'll want to see it. I don't know what's making the moon look like it's going up and down. That's really odd. Something on my focus or something, because the moon is not doing anything other than... Now I can see, when I zoom in a little bit, you can see that the lower left part of the moon is starting to decrease because the Earth's shadow is crossing it. But, you know, you would need the right types of cameras, the right types of telescopes, with the right types of lunar filters, etc., to see this real good. But I recommend you see it. Now, there's people put out all kinds of weird things about what it means astrologically and what it means spiritually and all that. No, it's a lunar eclipse. It's the Earth getting in between the moon and the sun in such a way that you can see it. So you might want to get outside and take a look at it if you're where you can safely do so. Mr. Cox out.